Hey guys, we made it to a second floor. We searched the whole building. There's nobody in here with us, so we're thinking it was definitely paranormal, whatever that was. Hopefully you guys can hear how loud it was. It was crazy, but there's nobody here.
Scared the hell out of us.
I'll put the camera that way so they can see. And behind you, and that way, and that way. There's no one here, guys.
Really, that was one of the scariest moments.
Of all of us that just experienced that. We're still like shaking.
It was slamming, like
Slamming, banging. I mean, I'm hoping you guys could hear that. I'm sure you can.
Scared the crap out of me.
All right.
and there's nothing above us, like sounds or anything.
No, we
so
don't hear anything.
we shall see.
All right, well.
We're gonna go back into the basement in a little bit.
Yeah,
I just want to check out this floor
since we're up here and nobody's around.
and see what we capture.
All right.
Okay, let's go.
All right.
That was freaky.
So, Al, do you want us to stay in the hallway for now?
Yeah, just see if we pick anything out.
We looked around and some of the patients' rooms, there were actual names on them.
So we're gonna see if they come up on the spirit talker right now. That's up and going for you guys. Okay. We saw some names on the door down when we were looking. Is anyone here with us on those names?
It's just big day room or something.
Who's here with us?
That was freaky.
I'm still shaking, guys. That was intense loud. Is anyone here with us?
Can't believe how much vandalism. It's horrible.
Where do you want us to go?
Protection.
We have protection since we heard that. How weird is that? We're not here to vandalize this place, but we will protect ourselves if needed.
I said we go back down to the basement and finish.
Or I say we go up another floor.
No. You're on full.
I said, no, we weren't upstairs all the way.
All right, let's go.
And then we can go down. I just want well, you call it. You want to go back down then?
I'm protecting you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can you tell us your name, the person who protected us?
think it's water dripping on that plastic. Yo,
Oh, okay.
debunked. That scared the heck. I said, what the hell?
Do you want to go down then?
It's really cold to home.
That's the water dripping.
A little orange, guys. That's just the thing. Seriously.
Yeah, that's not water.
It should go up.
Alright, we could always do them downstairs, I guess. I'll get this box going out and see. Down here.
Cancer?
I'm a good person.
What's the hole doing?
Cancer.
Please, guys. Thank you. Cancer. You do have cancer? I'm so sorry. It shows laundry. I think. However you want to do another session.
Straight.
I'll tell you, these buildings that we've been in Fairfield, really creepy buildings. Definitely sense a lot of stuff that went on here.
This is definitely creepier than Ledgeworth.
I agree. Is this the way we came before, it looks so big. Where's that?
We went down here.
We went that way?
Yeah.
Upset me.
What looks like you?
This is the hall we are in.
Yeah, I was just gonna say,
So we'll
I remember all this.
finish here, and then we'll go into the other hallway.
Okay.
We're gonna finish our thing here, guys. I think we should film this way.
Okay. Yeah, towards the stairs.
Yeah.
You can get
Unfinished business.
That's right, we have unfinished business here.
Can you communicate with us? That was some loud banging you did before. Can you do it again? Do you want to go and do it? Right here. Do you want to go?
No, you're gonna finish. And then I'll go.
Floorboards.
Floorboards.
I mean, there's all kind of those, we just walked over a bunch of wooden pieces, remember?
Mm-hmm.
But, huh,
Wow.
Take that, baby.
Just to see if we get anything.
where should I stand?
A little further back.
Good.
Yeah.
Let me turn it back up. Can you tell me your name, please?
Torch.
Torch.
Torch?
Hi,
Torch,
George.
like Torch,
Oh,
torch.
Oh.
You found some names on the door. One of them said Jane. Is Jane here with me? With us?
Oh, Gloria?
Gloria? Gloria was another one.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna go back in there. In that room. I just wanna set the red pop.
Alright, I was setting up a room pod. It lights colors. You made it go off. Well, it went off yesterday. When we were off camera, we saw the video from yesterday, guys, that the actual REM pod did go off. So if you watch yesterday's video, part 1,
Thread.
what's a threat? We're not here to threaten you, we just wanna communicate. We're not here to harm you or harm this building. We don't believe in vandalism.
This thing just turned on, and I didn't turn it on. Wow,
Mask away, babe.
that was weird. It's turned on, I didn't know what it said.
All right, babe, mask away.
Okay. I'm just curious where that other one was. What's this?
Alright, look in the other room. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be by myself in a minute. I have a REM pod behind me. I have this EMF detector and my phone, so use my energy to communicate, please. Don't be afraid. Who's there? It's THEIR, guys. There. How many of there are you? Are you a man or a woman?
Altar.
Altar. I'm not too sure if there's an altar in this building. In the Cochran house, there was an altar. Thank you for that. I don't know if you can see that the REM pod is going off. Thank you. Thank you for that. I believe that was the temperature going off, so thank you.
Williams.
Williams. It said that before. Williams. Is that your last name? Hi, Williams. So you could be a girl or a boy, really. So what are you? Are you a woman, a man, a boy, a girl? Can you set that off for me again? If you go really close to it, it'll light up all kinds of colors and make a little bit of music. Come on, use the energy. I see it flickering. Use the energy from these 3 devices. Thank you. Is that you?
The road.
There is a road close by here. Did you used to look out the window and watch the cars go by on the road? The rooms were very tiny here. Were you a patient? I'll take that as a yes. Thank you for communicating with me. How did you die? If you don't mind me asking, how did you die here? You can tell me it's okay. Thank you for lighting that up, or making that go off. Thank you for that. How did you die here?
Bone.
Bone? Your bones? Did you have bone cancer? Because I did say cancer before. I'm so sorry. If I'm right, can you light up the EMF meter and make that go off again if you died of bone cancer? Now Al's added the lights. If you walk through them, we can see you. Can you show yourself in them? Keep them steady.
I'm gonna sit there.
Okay. I'll I'll take that as a yes, that you passed from bone cancer. Again, I am so sorry. What is your name? Can you show yourself in the lights?
Burned.
Burned. Burnt. Were you cremated? Is that what you're trying to tell us? I'll take that as a yes too.
2 men here.
Is there someone behind Al? Or is there spirits of 2 men? Because it's 2 women and 1 man here. What are your names? What are the 2 men that are here? What are their names? All right, I think Al's gonna go now and see, maybe you wanna talk to a man.
Edith.
Is there anyone here with me? My name is Al.
Am I dead?
Yes, you are dead. The REM pod's going off. Is that you setting the REM pod off? I can hear it. Can you get closer to it and make it flash? You don't have to walk away from it.
Bored.
Bored? I hear it going off again. Is that you? Setting off the temperature? You don't have to walk away. I'm gonna put this device down here also, so you guys could use both devices. See what it does when you get close? You don't have to actually touch it. You just come close to it. That's good. You're setting it off again? Is that you setting it off? I'll stay right here, away from you.
He's here.
Who's here? Can you go close to my device and set it off, please? It's okay, it's not going to harm you. I just want to get your story out there. I respect you. I'm not going to harm you at all. I promise. Can you give me a knocking sound or something? Let me know you're here with me. Is that you by the device? Come closer. It's okay. There you go. Come closer. It's not going to harm you. You can trust me. There you go. It will not harm you. It's just going to light up colors. That's all it's going to do. Killing? You could use my energy to set that off. There's a lot of things with energy here that you could take just to activate that and light the colors up. You did it before. We're going to go to a different part of the hallway and doing another investigation there. If you want to follow us, you can. Or you could set that off to let me know you're here.
Portal.
Portal? There you go. You're trying to make the light go off. That's good. Thank you. You could come a little closer to it and help the lights go off.
I was a witch.
You were a witch? Were you a good witch or a bad witch? Which one were you? If that's you lighting that up, can you knock on something or show yourself? I'm not here to harm you at all. Can you tell me your name?
Ivy.
Ivy? Is Ivy your name? I'll come closer to that so you could use my energy. How's this? You don't have to be afraid. There you go. Make it go off. Come closer. You could touch me, but you cannot attach yourself to me. I will not allow that. I'm about 4 feet from it. Are you closer than that? Can you get closer than me? Show me you can get closer and light that up. Make it go off again. Make the noise go off. Thank you. Can you make the lights go off on it? Can you get a little closer than me? I'll move in a little closer. Now you move in a lot. Thank you. Thank you very much. Can you do that again?
Forgive me.
No, it's okay. Can you come closer? I moved in closer. You can too. Light it up again. It's okay. Go ahead, one more time, please. Okay, I'm going to pack it up here. Thank you. Can you make it go green again? Come on, use my energy. It's okay, here. I'll give you this energy to use to light it up. I know you're trying hard. I know your story wants to be told. Okay, I'm going to call Lee and Donna over now. And we're going to pack this up and go to a different part of the hallway. Leah, Donna? Lee and Donna are coming. Maybe if we all...
My stomach.
Your stomach? What's the matter with your stomach?
Are you leaving the backpack here? Are you going back this way or?
Yeah.
All right, just leave it.
You can use our energy, but you cannot get no one sick.
No.
And you cannot attach yourself to anyone. Hold that. All right, all three of us are right here. Do you want to use our energy, all of us, to make that turn colors?
Come on, you've been so responsive so far. Can you do it again one more time for the three of us? If you want us to go to the next hallway, can you make that go off?
Please show us that you're here with us.
Okay, we're gonna go now.
All right.
We're gonna turn this stuff off. Watch what it could have done. Look. Ain't that cool?
She's dangerous.
Who's dangerous? And that's the one that went off.
Who's dangerous?
Can you give us her name? All right, guys, we will see you in a few minutes.
In a different part of a hallway.
See if we get anything there. That was actually really good on responding. Thank
Yes,
you.
Thank you.
Let us know if you guys caught anything that we didn't. Drop a
Yes.
comment.
And the last time we were here, stomach came up, and both Lee and I,
In the Cochran building.
In the
Hut-
Cochran building.
house. Portal
Portal
again.
Oh, 2 portals.
Okay.
So
yes, we both got
really ill feeling.
Yeah.
So we don't want that again. So you
No.
cannot attach yourself to Donna or I or make our stomachs
sick.
sick. Yes. All right, guys. See you in the next part.
Okay.
All right, guys. Thank you. Ciao.